Hey guys, it's Dean. Welcome to Manful Yoga. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to meditate. So meditation involves three things. Number one, you're going to sit down in a relaxed position. You don't have to be doing a lotus. You don't have to cross your legs. You don't have to be sitting on the ground, a block, a chair. You can sit on anything you want and just sit up as tall as you can in a relaxed position. Number two, you're going to close your eyes and focus on your breath. So focus on what happens to your body when you inhale. Focus on what happens to your body as you exhale. And breathe nice and slowly. So you want to have at least a 3-second inhale and a 3-second exhale. And I would work your way up to 6 or 7-second inhales, 6 or 7-second exhales. And then the third part of meditation is inevitably having a thought. So you will have thoughts in meditation. You don't have to beat yourself up or punish yourself or say, oh, I had a thought, crap. All you do when you have a thought and you're meditating, you acknowledge the thought. You say, oh, I'm thinking about something other than my breath. And then you go back to thinking about your breath. And that's it. That is what meditation is. It is sitting. You can even lay down. You can stand up. It's just being still with your body. It's focusing on your breath, closing your eyes. And then when you have a thought, acknowledging that thought, and coming back to focusing on your breath. And that's all that meditation is. It doesn't have to be this, this year-long course. You don't have to do years of study to do it. You don't have to be a yoga instructor. You don't have to go to India and learn from a yoga instructor. All you need to do is those three things. You need to stay still, you need to focus on your breath, and you need to come back to your breath after acknowledging that you have a thought. So I wanted to make this video because meditation is way simpler than most people make it. And I also wanted to show that it doesn't have to be a spiritual thing. It doesn't have to be something that you do with yoga. I personally meditate because I enjoy the stress relief aspects of it, and I think it's great for developing mindfulness. I don't do it with yoga because I separate my yoga workouts and my meditation. But you're free to meditate however you want. If you like the traditional yoga where you meditate at the end of the session, then that's great. If you like yoga as a workout and then you finish your yoga session and you go get a protein shake or you go drink some water, that's fine too. Use meditation however you want. The concepts, the approach to meditate, the concepts are essentially the same. There's definitely more levels to meditation. If you want to get into deeper study, I'd recommend going to find someone who's interested in peeling back the layers of meditation, and who gets more into the chakras and who has more knowledge on that. But really when it comes down to it, meditation is just those three simple things. And that way it makes it approachable to everybody. You don't have to be a yoga instructor. You don't have to study meditation for years. It's just sitting down or standing up or being still. It's focusing on your breath. And then again, coming back to focusing on your breath after you have a thought. So I wanted to make this quick video to teach you that. I hope you found it useful. If you want to learn more about what I do, head to manfulyoga.com. I show you how yoga can improve your fitness. That's basically what I do in a nutshell. I've got programs, free intros, free workouts, blogs, all that stuff to help you get there. And that's it. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you on future videos. Take care.